All right, welcome to February. We've got some really exciting things happening here in doTERRA. We're going to be launching the new MetaPower Recharge. We're going to be offering an amazing 200 PV promotion and extending that 100 healthy promotion for new members and those that are going to renew that haven't purchased in 12 months. So let's go into the details and talk about what's 10% off, what's free, and it gets you all the information you need to know for this month in February. All right, for the month of February, we're going to get 10% off of cinnamon bark. That's a 5 ml bottle. So my wholesale customers, you're going to be paying $29 and it's worth 29 PV. Retail customers, it will be $38.67. And this is while supplies last. So let's talk a little bit about what you can use cinnamon bark for. All right, let's talk a little bit about cinnamon bark essential oil. It's extracted from the bark of a tropical tree, and it's super fragrant, flavorful, and filled with many beneficial compounds. Now, it contains cleansing properties that can be helpful when you're cleaning your household surfaces. You can also take this oil internally. It's got some really great benefits for supporting a healthy metabolic function in the body, specifically maintaining a healthy immune system function. So we love this. It is really strong. It contains really high amounts of cinnamolide. I think that's how you say that. So really only 1 to 2 drops are needed when you take it internally. And then when you are going to use it topically, it is really strong. So I highly recommend using the fractionated coconut oil when you're applying to the skin. So reminder, it's going to be sweet, it's going to be spicy. So it's great for in the diffuser. It naturally repels insects. So there's lots of ways you can flavor your drinks, your breads, your desserts, your entrees. So on the screen, you'll see that there's about 371 published studies about the benefits of cinnamon bark, and it works really well with blends like On Guard, which has cinnamon bark in it, myrrh, clove, wild orange, and Douglas fir. It comes from Madagascar, Tanzania, and Sri Lanka. And it takes 1.5 pounds of cinnamon bark to make 1 bottle of the 5 ml cinnamon bark oil. And so there's really kind of a cool thing. So when we think about targeting body systems, we talk about the metabolic system, the antioxidant support. So talk about immune system function and your digestive support as well. So there's lots of ways you can see it on there. It can help support healthy oral health as well, circulation, lots of great ways to use this as well. I have some simple DIYs, and because doTERRA's essential oil cinnamon bark is suggested and recommended for internal use, of course, you want to be safe with it. So we want to follow some recipes that have been given out. So we have a cinnamon bark throat tea. A lot of people are still, it's the season of being confined in the house. And so a lot of times we get a little under the weather. So this might be a really good one to try. I also thought about cinnamon almond granola as we get into the fitness of starting new years and new goals. A lot of us want to eat a little bit healthier. This is a great snack that includes cinnamon bark as well. We also have cinnamon apple chips. So again, we're going to look for the healthy things that we could do for our body and our diet. So this one takes six drops of cinnamon bark in there. And then, of course, cinnamon French toast, like how easy it is for you to apply and add some cinnamon bark to that French toast that you're making in the morning. All right, let's hit the refresh button and let's talk about the free oil that is given out for our loyalty rewards clients. So when you place a 125 point order through your loyalty rewards program on or before the 15th of February, you're going to receive a free tangerine. This is a 15 ml bottle, and it will be automatically added to your order. So this is a great way to expand your collection of essential oils. So here's a little bit about tangerine. If you're unfamiliar with this one, it's going to be a fresh and a very tangy scented oil. It's a lot of uplifting yet calming properties in it. It's also going to provide antioxidants, so it's going to help support a healthy immunity, respiratory, and digestion. Also, you can apply this topically. It's very cleansing and purifying, but I would only do that at night. Avoid sun exposure with the citrus oil. So just FYI with that, but it's really good for the skin. Let's talk a little bit of ways that you can use this. You can add 1 to 2 drops as a flavoring in your cookies and your cake recipes. You're going to see lots of food recipes. Where I've got on the screen right now is a tangerine vanilla popsicle recipe and a fruit dip recipe as well. So even using it in your recipes with food is going to be very, very helpful as well. So think about adding it to your smoothies, your teas, even in your water. A couple drops in a glass can be very supportive to your immune system. You also, if you want to provide an emotional energy boost for just overall improving your mood, just 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands, rub it together, cup it over your nose and mouth, and just deep inhales for about 30 seconds, or you can diffuse it in your room. You can also add this to flex points on your body or on your abdomen to promote feelings of happiness. So we also have, because it's such an uplifting blend, I've got some diffuser recipes here, as well as a garbage disposal refresher. I wish I had a garbage disposal. I don't, but my sink does get pretty yucky. I'm actually out of mine, so this is a great reminder for me to use my tangerine this month to make some refreshers. Just put that in the bottom of my sink and let the water run, and it will help clean that out, and it will smell just amazing. So thought I would put a reminder for myself there. All right, let's talk about that 200 PV promotion where you can get 3 doTERRA Powerhouse essential oils for free for a 200 PV order. So in the month of February, any 200 PV order this month will receive these three oils: Copaiba, doTERRA Super Mint, and Digest Zen. So it's really kind of fun. You can qualify for this promotion to up to 4 times per account, and you just automatically will put things in your cart. So if you do a 200 PV order, no need to do, it's going to be included. If you do a 400 PV order, they're going to actually include this promotion twice for you. And then obviously, if you increase it to 600, they'll do it 3 times. If you do it 800, they'll do it 4 times. You can get these for free. So just a great way to stock up on some essential oils that are going to be basically a must-have in everybody's home. So Copaiba, if you're not familiar with this one, this is great for all different parts of the body systems. But on the slide, you can see it's going to talk about tension relief, about calming in the body. So it's great to apply topically to the feet, or you can combine it with lavender in the diffuser before you go to bed. But also just those joints and muscles are going to really love it when you apply that topically there. You also have Super Mint. Super Mint is a brand new blend that we had. I think it launched this last year. And it's a combination of a lot of the mints that we know and love, like spearmint and peppermint. But it's just got, overall, it's not so overwhelming as, for instance, if I were to grab a peppermint. It's very soothing and refreshing, I guess is the scent there. But think about it, you normally use a lot of your mints for tension and muscle relief. So thinking about applying these topically to help with that. It's also great for respiratory. So putting this in the diffuser, a couple drops, or diluting it and rubbing on your chest is a great way to open up those airways. And then we have Digest Zen. Of course, this is great for our digestive system. So whether you just use it on a daily basis to help everything move smoothly, or when you have those occasional indigestion, heartburn, maybe your stomach's gurgling, making lots of noise, you can use Digest Zen. So you can use it all 3 ways: topical, internal, and aromatic for motion sickness. It works really, really well with that as well. So just wanted to let you guys know you have the advantage of this one all month long in February. All right, if you're like me, you have been dying and waiting to get this new product since convention. I was given a couple of these samples to use and to try out. I'm so excited that starting today, this MetaPower Recharge is going to be available. It's the latest addition to the MetaPower family, and this is a product you definitely don't want to miss out on. So what exactly is this MetaPower Recharge? So approximately 75% of the globe is dehydrated. That means they are lacking key electrolytes that are essential to keep cells charged and energized. Now, electrolytes are an integral part in the various body functions. For example, like maintaining proper muscle and nerve function, regulating your body's fluid balance, and water just isn't enough sometimes. So MetaPower Recharge provides an exclusive balanced blend of electrolytes that are perfect for everyone, not just the high performance athletes. It also includes Baobab, I think is how you say it, Baobabb, extract, and a deep open ocean mineral from the Curacao Current in the Pacific Ocean. This is helping water work more cooperative in your cells so you don't have to work so hard to stay hydrated. And this comes in two flavors. We've got lemon lime and we have wild orange. And I personally like both strawberry, or sorry, not wild orange, strawberry. I personally like the strawberry flavor better. I prefer that one, but my kids actually like both of them. I have a 13-year-old and a 10-year-old, and I had them try. They loved it. So they're super excited to do that. This is limited to per boxes per flavor per month. So you can get 2 of the lime and 2 of the strawberry this month. They want to make sure everybody gets a chance to get this. So think about even just helping with energy. Being hydrated makes you feel overall better. So some people have been taking this in the mornings with their advantage. Others, like me, I usually take it when I have digestive issues or if I've been exercising, I'll take that as well. So just note those type of things on here as well. Trying to see if I have pricing available. I don't have it right here, but you can, I'll put some links on the video where it'll go directly to it and you'll see the pricings of this as well. All right, the other thing that is one thing that I want to make sure that you pay attention because this is an LTO, a limited time only, and it's brand new. And this will be available. This is a pomegranate cherry flavor. This is going to launch on February the 15th. So you got 2 weeks and then this comes out. This is going to have, right now, there is no limit on this one. It's there until it sells out. And I do have the wholesale price of this is $84.50 with 70 PV for our wholesale members. And then retail customers, it's $112.67. So just FYI on that as well. So definitely don't want to miss that if you like the advantage. All right, the Healthy 100 promotion has actually been extended for this month, meaning that if you are a new customer, I'll take you through. If you're a new customer and you get started and you do a 100-point order in February and then get on the rewards program, which is our monthly program, you can edit that every single month, change what you need. But if the month of March, you place another 100 PV order, then in April, you're going to receive 100 product points. If you're a reactivating customer, all you have to do is place a 100 PV order in February, and then in March, do the same thing. Place a 100 loyalty rewards order in the month of March, and then you'll receive 100 points for free in April. So the other thing that they are doing is you get a free double bubble diffuser with any 150 PV new member order. So if you're a new customer with us and you, instead of just doing the 100-point order in February and you bump it up to 150, you'll get this. It's really great. You just screw the bottle on top. It's waterless, so it just, you put the bottle in and you walk by it and it senses you and then it activates and does a couple pumps on there. It's chargeable, so you can put it wherever you need to. I just leave mine plugged in the bathrooms, but I love it. The motion detector is kind of a great way to use to make the room smell great. All right. And then, like always, I like to end my videos with a refer a friend program reminder. So if you are a wholesale customer and you love your doTERRA products, why not get rewarded for sharing? It's super simple. You can easily share a referral link through when you're shopping and on doTERRA to your friends. And when they purchase from that link, they'll get a free year membership with doTERRA. They don't have to pay that when they use your link. And then you, as the referring customer, will actually get 20% of their first purchase in doTERRA dollars. And then it works just like your loyalty rewards points. You can just redeem when you want to on doTERRA.com. So it's just a fun way for you as a customer to just refer your friends with a product that you love and get compensated just as a thank you. If you're not a wholesale customer yet, I have a QR code here with a very simple get started kit for you. If you want to get started with doTERRA and get obviously that this will qualify you for that first of the Healthy 100 promotion where you got 100. If you want to bump that up to 150 to get that free bubble diffuser, just scan the QR code and you can get started. And I'll be in touch on how to use those products as well. All right, so just incredible February promotions that are going on. Make sure you take advantage, whatever level you are, whether you're a brand new customer, whether you're a current customer, you want to get some free oils, the 200 PV, the free tangerine on the loyalty rewards program, whether you want to get that MetaPower recharge, the pomegranate flavor on February 15th at the Advantage. You get to kind of just pick where you want to save and to get some free essential oils and some great deals and bargains. As always, keep oiling, and I'm here for your essential oil needs. Reach out to me if you need any help and support. Have a good one.